What's popping, people? Today I'm going to show you how to set wallpapers using the depth effect to give it more of a pop. This is only available on iOS 16, so if you haven't updated, I'd recommend doing that. First, head to Safari. I have included links in the description of some of the best wallpapers that work using the depth effect trick. They have hundreds of options ready to download. Otherwise you may find your own. Once you've found the one you want, click download. I decided to choose the cutest of good boys for mine. Go through the process of downloading. Next, go to your lock screen, hold your thumb down on the screen until this menu pops up, slide across and create a new wallpaper design. Click on the Photos tab in the top left corner. Then choose the photo you'd like to use. Aw, look at that cute little face. Once selected, in the bottom right you'll see 3 dots, click that and it will display the depth effect setting. Enable this if it's not already enabled. Now adjust your screen how you'd like it to look. As you can see, you can now overlap the clock with this effect. If you didn't know, you can also change font and the color now with this new update. Once you're happy, click Add, and then Set as Wallpaper. Boom, you king brackets or queen, you've done it. Don't let that clout get to your head though. That's it for this tutorial, people. Please like and subscribe. Peace.